So guys, now on our USD card for the day, please before you go, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. As you can see now on our USD card, our price has broken above with test this liquidity area. We see our price came here to test this liquidity area here, and now we are aiming for our price to actually fall. So we got that fall day before yesterday, which was on Monday. We had that fall on Tuesday, and now this Wednesday we are actually going to be having a fall on our USD card. But first of all, we are having a pushback. I believe we will be having that pullback to this area here, liquidity area here. I believe we'll be having the pullback, then a fall on our USD card. Please don't mind this trade that I'm working on something, that is why. So don't mind this my trade that I just placed. I will correct it later. So now as you can see on our USD, we are believing to go bullish, come here to hit this our liquidity area here, and actually a fall, continue fall, because we're actually going bearish on our USD card for the day. Now on our 4-hour time frame, as you can see, our price is going, and we're actually having this play with our price is actually playing out, giving us like a retracement push here before we continue going bearish on our 4-hour time frame, by the way. So we still have some time for our price to retrace and still come down. At least we should be able to start getting that fall in our London section, as currently we are at our Sydney section, very close to our Tokyo section to opening. So by the time our London section has opened, we should actually get probably that fall, and our New York section has opened, we should actually have that fall, break below and continue going bearish. By the way, we are aiming to hit this our target for the week, which is about 1.27. We are currently at 1.29. We are targeting 1.27. Our price to actually break below for the week and hit here. So exactly what we are planning to trade for the week. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you find this video helpful.